Okay, this video teaches you how to create interactive presentation with Google Slides for your students. As a teacher using a Google Classroom or any virtual classroom system, especially with Google Choose, there are times you may need to create interactive class or presentation whereby students can make inputs. Maybe for instance, somebody may write, okay, the 6 geopolitical zones in Nigeria, then you write 1, 2, 3 and leave the other spaces open. So your students can put their own information there. Everybody will be part of that project. It could be for a group work. So how do we do it? Let's quickly do this. Now, you need to have, if you are part of, you are using Google Choose for your virtual class, you need to have all the Google Choose on your phone as an app. So you need to have a Google Slide. So when you look at this, my slide, if you don't have it, you can download it from the Play Store or any store. Now click on slides. Click on slides. So once you come to slide here, now look at this plus sign down here. It means to create. Are you creating with a template or new presentation? Use new presentation. Don't use a template in this one. So let me just use that topic I mentioned. So I'm going to, there are the main title and add subtitle. I don't want that one now. Let me remove this subtitle of a thing. Okay, and I click, I want to delete this one. Okay, no problem. Let me just type what I want to type. Now, 6 geopolitical zones in Nigeria. That's what I want to type. Remember, it can be anything. I'm just using this as an example. In Nigeria. Okay. Okay, let me type here maybe with their states. With their states. Now, okay. Let me still bold in this one. And probably put a color here. It's okay. This is exactly what I'm writing now. See geopolitical zones in Nigeria with their states. Now, if you to create, look at, I want to add another slide. I'm going to click on here at this place. Now, let me assume I'm going to, let me use this one, the particular one that says title only. Now, write number 1. Let me start with the northeast. Now I'm going to fill out. After that, I'm going to show you something. It's okay. Now, if I want to increase this for the font, I click on the A up here. It means formatting. That's where I can see font here. I can just choose a font that is big. Okay, something like this. It's okay. I have northeast. So I'm going to reproduce this to northeast, all of them one after the other. So after that, I'm going to show you the next thing we need to do. Okay, now I filled the entire thing. And what I intend to do with my students is to ask them to fill at least 2 states or 3 from each of these geopolitical zones. Now, before I do this, I need to do something. So look at up here where you have these 3 dots. I want to do something because I want to give access. So once you have here, the first thing you need to do is to click on Untitled Presentation to give you a title. Okay, let me assume this thing is still the title, see geopolitical zones in Nigeria. Okay, now I still click on that place again. I look for where they have share and export. Share and export. First of all, click on Manage Assets. Now, in managing assets, you can see that let it open so that you understand what I want to talk about. Okay, now you can see that I, the owner, have access, but general access is restricted. So I'm going to click on this change. I want to change that restriction. So instead of saying only people added can open, I click on anyone with the link, because I want to share this link on the page. If I don't do that, even if I share this, nobody can open that link. So as a teacher, you need to know this. Immediately you copy this and go and share without correcting that manager access. You can share a link and nobody can open it. Somebody is wondering, why can't they open it? And you yourself, you don't know. So I now am going to put it anyone with the link. But aside that, what type of access am I giving them? If I leave it as viewer here, it means that they can only view that document. They can't do anything on it. But remember, this is an interactive class. It's an interactive. I want the children to contribute, to do something. So viewer is wrong. Because if I leave it this way, they can't type anything. They will only see me say, you can do something, but they cannot type. The system will not allow them. Now I click on, if I choose on commenter, commenter means they can only make comments. Okay, thank you, sir. Oh, this is good. That is comment. But if I want them to add something to it, I'm going to give them editor access. That is access they need. Once I do this, I've given them access. I can click on this share icon here. It's something as going back to click on share. So I click on it. The share, I've copied it. Now, having copied it, I'm now okay with this. I've copied this now. I can now go back to my Google Classroom. Let me show you this. Let's assume this is a Google Classroom where I want to post this. Okay, let me just use any of this my Google Classroom systems here that I have here. Maybe let me look for the one that I don't have students as much, or I may not have students for now. Okay, let me use this one. Let me use this one. This adult class. I have no students here yet. So I go to classwork. It's not still. You see what I have here. Okay, let me not use this one. Please bear with me. I want to use something that at least get closer to what I want to do. Okay, business online made easy. Even though, okay, let me use this one. I click on classwork. Nothing has been added in the first place, no whatever. So I click on this. Now, because a material, I click on material, so I can give instruction. Interactive. Maybe that's what it's interactive presentation. I will now ask the students as instruction. I say, please add 3 states, or please access the attached presentation and add 2 or 3 states that fall under each of the geopolitical zones in Nigeria. You see it? Now I'm going to type that whatever. Now, having done that, I click on insert link. I'm going to insert that link. Watch. Add. Now I see it. You see what I just created. I see it. See geopolitical zones. This is a slide. Now, for students to be able to open this, they must have a slide. They must have Google Slides. So you automatically know when you are a virtual school a teacher and all that, you are using all these tools online. If you admit students, you are going to tell them to have all these tools because they need it. Anything you put, they need to have the same thing so that the syncing can take place. Having done this, had it been this is under a topic now, I will add that topic. I didn't create any of that. Now, do I want to schedule this or I want to post at the same time? It's as long as I want to post at the same time, I'm going to click on this post. So as it stands now, every student will definitely see this. It's not there. If students are in this class, they are all going to see this. In fact, and the way it is, anytime students later join, even if they join next year, this thing is already here. They're going to see it. And once they click on this and open and now see the attached slide, they click on it, they're going to see it. They go there. Because I gave them editor, access, they can freely write inside that. But if I don't give them editor access, they can't write on it. So this is exactly how to do this stuff. So I'm going to encourage you, if you're a teacher anywhere in Africa and you don't know how to use Google Tools for online school system, virtual classroom, please join our ongoing online courses. It's very important. It's going to help you. You're not just doing it for your school. Even if your school is not using Google Tools for education, do it for yourself. You can host online classes, teach students from around the world. Are you getting it? So it's very important. Join us. The fee is so small. You can join and make money from it. And if you are new to this channel, we encourage you to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell. We'll bring in tutorials like this that are free. You learn from us and you gain massive skills needed for this time. Share this video, and if this video makes sense to you, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can as well make it well open to others. I'm going to stop at this point. If you have a question, use the comment box. Thanks for watching.